Welcome back to some more trucking adventures. So I'm going to be reviewing this Kenworth right here. We're going to the inside first. Okay. So. Alright. So, let's everything reset. I'm gonna start it. Sure it's neutral. So we're gonna start it now. Alright, so here's how she sounds. She's got a big 550 cat in her. It's horn. Other horn. Gear shifter, of course. Okay. So this is actually a tri-axle dump truck. So of course you got your PTO in and out. Lots of up, down, tailgate control. Cover and stuff. Okay, so you see in the mirrors, watch that bar. See it going back? Going back up again. Okay, parking brake. Let me turn this on. Okay, turn signals, windshield wipers, okay, air horn, jake brake, this is off, on, you got your low, high, cruise control, set on and off. This is set and zoom. Don't know what those are for. I think those are where my back wheels don't lock and stuff. Over here you got your engine fan. I don't know what that does. How you wash your windows. Front windows off. Okay. Radio. Copyright. Got your spare light and stuff. So there's a wasp. I hate wasp. Hendrickson engine thing, make it go faster, slower. Zippo and stuff. So y'all want the brakes I'm like tighten up and letting off. Okay. This is what it sounds like. Okay. Clutch and stuff. So hope you enjoyed the video. Future video coming on that Honda Recon there, and like and subscribe for more semi content, and I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.